Hello, everybody.
Hi. You're tuning in to the Tartan Trolley on this beautiful spring day in Monmouth, Illinois. We are going to find some students and test their knowledge with Tartan trivia. Once I get the bagpipes going. Ooh, Scott Moon Brave. We'll start with that one. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's rock and roll.
All right. Man in the gray sweatshirt.
Excuse me.
Come answer a question on the Tartan Trivia Trolley to win a prize.
Hop on.
Hop on. I got some questions for you and a chance to win some prizes.
And this way, where are you headed? Okay, well.
We'll drive you there.
Yeah, no, stay dry.
What's your name?
Jerry.
Jerry. All right. I'm gonna ask you a question. If you win, you get a chance to go into a raffle. What is the oldest building on campus? Try again.
Ooh.
Chick. That's what I thought. Incorrect.
Okay.
Third time's a charm.
Wow.
I don't know.
What's a good hint?
It's over by Doll. It's on that side by Wallace.
Okay, so you have Wallace.
Is it the other one?
You said over by Doll?
Mm-hmm. Oh, by Doll. Oh, yeah.
The correct answer is Marshall Hall. Marshall Hall is the oldest building on campus.
Ah,
all right,
shoot.
well, thank you for playing, Jerry.
Thank you.
Go eat some breakfast or lunch in the caf.
Head on over to CSB later. Win some prizes.
Yes.
Oh shoot, my bad. Tough break. Still early in the morning. Bob and
Is that who I think it is? Is that Peyton Lamb? Peyton Lamb, you didn't have class this morning, so get your butt on this Tartan Trolley.
It's your lucky day!
It's your lucky day. If you answer a question correctly, you have a chance to win some prizes. Hop on. Alright, the wonderful Peyton Lamb is joining us, everybody. I'm his TA in acting. If you get this question right, you have a chance to go enter a raffle and win some prizes today, alright? I'll give you a good one. Monmouth has two official tartans, the modern, which is red, white and black, and the ancient. What colors are in the ancient tartan? The modern is red, white, and black. What colors are in the ancient tartan? It's two of those.
Red and black.
Target.
Red and white.
Correct! We have our first correct answer from Peyton Lamb. So we will give you this ticket, and you go bring it to the CSB, put your name on it, and you'll put it in the box right when you walk in the front door, and you have a chance to win some prizes.
Like a pickleball set.
Yes. Awesome stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you, Peyton!
Thanks, Peyton. We love someone that comes prepared for the weather.
Come join us on the Trivia Trolley. Would you like to answer a question? You have some chance to win some awesome prizes. We'll also drive you to where you're ever going. We'll ride you around a circle. Come on. All right, and what is your name?
Kenyana.
All right, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you get it right, you get a little ticket, and you can go enter in the CSB for some awesome prizes. What is the name of the bagpiper statue in front of the Hughes Library? It's something with our name.
Spirit.
That is correct. We have our second correct answer of the day. All right, so we will give you one of these little raffle tickets. All you have to do is just put your name on it, and then you're gonna go in the front of the CSB, drop it in the little box there, and then you have a chance to win some awesome prizes. Thanks for joining us on this spectacular spring day.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we have 4 people on. Hello.
Good morning.
Welcome to this the Trivia Trolley. We are finding students and asking them about their Scots knowledge. These questions are not easy, so bear with them.
Over there in the red shirt! Don't move! You can't run away from each other, Valley! Who's that? Miss Colleen? Oh, and Miss Cynthia? Get up on here! Alright, you guys have a chance to answer a question correctly, and if you do, we'll give you one of these raffle tickets, and you have a chance with some awesome prizes in the CSB. Alright.
Are they hard? Yes. Oh, great. We're practicing. Ask me when the school's done. Oh, is that on here? Wait, hold on. I think I did see this.
Not like we can see the inch.
Don't look.
Don't look.
You guys probably know this.
Okay.
What fraternity house formerly stood on the site of the Alpha Zeta Delta house?
Used to be a fraternity house.
Used to be a fraternity house.
Somebody else had it before Alpha.
Does the fraternity still exist?
Yes.
Yeah, it's CBT.
That is correct!
I knew that.
So you get one ticket each.
Yes!
To come to the headquarters to
Yes.
possibly cash those in.
Put your name on it and you'll drop it in the little box.
Okay.
So.
And then you get. Wait, I'll take it to your destination.
Wallets.
Two wallets! All right.
You have to get off. Yeah. Thank you.
Come right
Good
here.
morning, Ethan! Get on the trivia trolley and come answer our question correctly!
Holy shit.
Hey!
PG,
PG language!
Holy cow.
Yeah. Hop on.
Oh, I need to go to the calf.
Alright, we'll take
Okay.
you there.
Oh my god.
Hop on,
Okay.
and I'm gonna whip one up here.
Alright, we have Ethan joining us, my
Hello.
dear friend Ethan.
Stop me, Dan.
Alright, Ethan, if you can answer a question correctly, we'll give you a ticket and you have a chance to win some awesome prizes. I'm gonna ask the same question because I feel like you know.
Okay.
What fraternity house formerly stood on the site of the Alpha Zeta Delta house?
Oh, ZBT.
And Ethan happens to be a member of DVT.
Oh, Plush Cow, baby. Yeah.
What's one of your favorite fraternity members?
I have to say, very
Awesome. Thank you, Ethan, for joining us.
You're welcome.
Go eat in the calf.
Okay, let's go.
You want to try
Hey.
your luck with
With
the
a trivia trolley?
Get on the
Yeah.
phone.
Wait, Ethan, you got it correct. Did I give you a ticket?
Oh,
Come to the headquarters and cash in there.
job.
You three.
Thank you.
Hop on.
Do we get a ride?
Yeah,
Yes,
where are you
wherever you
going?
got- wherever you wanna
Okay,
go.
I'll take it.
Only if you get it right, though. I'm just kidding. You
Hop
get it right.
on. If you get it correct, you have a chance to win some awesome prizes.
Okay.
We have Maddie Boley joining us, the infamous Maddie Boley.
Oh. Okay. Screw you guys.
Come on, we'll take you guys wherever you. We'll take you wherever we gotta go.
Just. Yeah. Just hold on. I'll drive safe, I promise.
She's a good she's a good
I only have 4 tickets.
so far.
I'm just kidding. Let's go. Where are you headed?
I'm going to the CSB.
Here we go. Okay.
No way for
Yep. Wave to all your friends.
Is this the live stream? That's what I'm seeing. Or is that something else?
I think this is on YouTube.
Oh, God.
Live? Yes.
Okay,
So, PG language, please.
Where do you guys want to go? Okay.
Wait.
can
We
go
got
right
this.
here.
We got this.
Okay, Maddie Boley, answer this question correctly.
Okay, I'll try.
How many elevators can be found on the Monmouth campus?
Ooh, that's a good question. So there's career, CSB, that's at least 2. Probably Peterson, North, Bowers. I'm gonna say 6.
Try it.
Over 10. Oh man. 13, 14, 11. 17? 16. 15.
Yes, correct, Maddie Boley. 15 elevators on campus.
Okay, I'll give you this ticket, and then you just put your name on it, and then drop it in the front door of this little box. Okay. Give you a chance to win some prizes and baskets.
All right. Not for her though. She has to act. I won't look. I promise.
Okay.
What was Monmouth College's first science building?
I did not know.
I'm an education.
I don't know it. Take a guess.
Is it still on campus?
It is, and we have two of them called the same thing,
I don't
but they're
know the
different.
name. It's over there.
Nope.
That's not it.
Nope. We have two buildings. There's one academic and one residence.
Scottsdale.
Nope.
McMike.
Yep.
Yeah!
All right, same thing. Just put your name on one of these tickets and drop in the CSV.
Wait, so which one was the first CSB? The academic one? Or the...
McMike
Yes.
Academic was the first science building.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Well, have a great
See you
day.
later.
Oh my God! Look, it's Anita. Anita is in the musical this weekend. Everybody, come see the musical, The Theory of Relativity. You want to hop on and answer a question correctly on the trivia trolley?
Sure, you want to drop me off by Wallace?
Sure, we're going that way
We're making
anyway.
drops and stops all along the way. You can stand. I'll drive safe.
Only 4 tickets.
All right, Anita, I'm gonna ask you a question that I think you know.
Okay. Where'd it go? Everybody seems to know this answer. Are we live? We are live.
Say hi to all your fans.
I feel like you know this. I get
What is the oldest building on the campus?
Campus, Marshall Hall.
Correct! You got that on the first try!
Nice.
Okay.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you. Of course. You just have to put your name on this ticket and turn it into the front of the CSV, and you can win some awesome prizes.
Oh, cool.
CSB, which is right there, home of our headquarters for today's Scott Day of Giving.
Make sure you make a donation.
That's
We need
right.
70 more student donations.
I like your boots.
Thank you.
Red rain boots.
Monmouth rain boots today.
I can take you about this far.
Oh, this is perfect.
Thank you for
so
playing, Miss Anita.
much.
Have a great spring Thursday.
You too.
Come on.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Already late for class.
All right, go to class.
Let's see. Are you on your way to class? All right, never mind. Education comes first. Let's see.
Oh my God, it's my roommate, Kayla Brown! Get on! Get on! Oh, come on, Kayla. That's my roommate, Kayla Brown, everybody. Who wants to play Tartan trivia? Hop on the trolley. Come answer some questions for a chance to win some prizes.
Class, I got a 9:30.
Oh, education does come first.
Hey, you want to ride? Nice. I like your style. Doesn't even look up. Doesn't even look up. Yeah! Yeah!
Go play trivia!
We'll take you to class.
I'll take you to where we gotta go, Tyreek.
We gotta go.
Hop on.
Come on.
All right, the amazing Tyreek, everybody. All right, Tyreek, if you can answer this question correctly, we'll give you a little ticket and you a chance to awesome prizes. I'm gonna ask you this question too, because Tyreek is a Scott ambassador, so he should know this.
Oh, wow.
What is the oldest building on campus?
How
stay
box in the
dry.
front.
This
So-
is the way to go, guys.
Right in the front of the door, you'll just put your name on it, drop it in the little box, and yep.
Where is that door?
The front door.
You'll see it when you go inside.
Yes, you will. Thank you, Tyreek.
Thanks, Tyreek. Have a fabulous day. It's at 9:30 time, so some people are going to class.
Anybody want to play trivia and win some prizes? Oh, whatever.
We do take education very seriously, all days of the week, no matter the occasion. Like this guy, who is absolutely sprinting. You go! You got this! This guy is really Are you on your way to class? We'll give you a ride. Have fun. Hold on, I'm gonna...
Come play some Tartan trivia.
This thing really doesn't turn all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Bear with us. But that is actually one of the incentives today is to get a new golf cart.
All right, hop on. What is your name?
AJ.
AJ. All right, we have
AJ.
AJ joining us.
AJ,
I'm gonna ask you.
Wallace?
This way?
Okay. I'll ask you a question really quick. How many times has the football field been moved?
Are you a football player?
No.
Oh.
I have no idea.
Between 1 or 5?
1, 2, or 3.
Let's go 3.
No.
Is it 2?
It's between 1 and 3.
Put your name on this ticket and then drop it off in the front of the CSB, and you have a chance to win some awesome prizes.
Okay.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Have a good day.
You
You're
too.
welcome. You too.
trivia.
No. Okay.
Alright.
How about you?
We'll take you where you gotta go. You don't gotta walk in the rain.
I think we already.
It's already playing.
That's right.
She's headed back.
She's got her food though.
Man, it was pretty funny. You gotta play some trivia. You think
It's your lucky day. Hop on.
Hop on. You don't gotta walk in the rain either.
Where are you going?
Look.
All right, we'll take you there.
Take it there.
Hop
Hop
on.
on.
Hop on. Oh, sorry.
If you can answer a question correctly, you will get a little ticket, and you have a chance to win some awesome prizes.
Sweet prizes like pickleball set,
Uh-huh.
TV.
All right, I'll ask you. Basketball?
Hey.
Well, you might know. How many times has the football field been moved? Between 1 and 3 times.
Yeah!
What's your name? Damarian. Thank you for playing. You'll put your name on this ticket, and you'll turn it in the front
Thank you for playing.
Have a good day.
You
Hey, you
too.
too. She really said that on camera. Right, it is that awkward time where people are in class and there's not too many walking about because it is a rainy, dreary day. However, we are going to find some people to play. some trivia. This one over here, maybe head into the library.
AJ!
Come on now.
Come play trivia!
She's on the phone. You don't actually know there's a person on the other end, but she played it off well. Alright, who else? Let's see. Yeah, by this time, we're so late for classes. It's about 4 minutes late.
Who wants to play Tartan trivia? I'll drive you wherever you like to go. Just get on, bro.
Hop on. You got smell like a face. Hop on. Okay, that's okay. We'll take you there. Come on.
All 10
Come
feet?
on. Yes.
All right.
All right, Nicholas Pruzo. What is the oldest building on campus?
Can I phone a friend?
No,
Damn it.
come on. We're near it. We're literally
That one.
What's it called?
The place where ATO does their shit.
They're
Language!
stuff.
Ah!
They're stuff.
Yes, Marshall Hall. Put your name on the ticket and return to the front of the CSB for some chance to win some prizes.
Appreciate you.
Check it out. Have a great Scots day. Oh, give it.
All right, who is next?
Doo-doo-doo. We're just going back and forth here today, folks. Back and forth. You know, we could have definitely asked for a better day, but this one's not too bad. Rain, it's alright. You!
Want to play Tartan trivia?
Yes, you do. Have fun. I'll take you. Where are you going?
CSB.
Okay, I got you. Have fun.
Oh, shit.
What's your name?
Tayshawn.
All right. I'm gonna ask you a question. If you get it right, I will give you a chance to win some
How many times has the football field been moved? Between 1 and 3.
Correct. You're not late. Put your name on this ticket. You'll turn it to the front of the CSB and we'll box you'll see it. You get a chance to win some awesome prizes.
Yeah, my dear.
Appreciate it.
All right, get to class.
Tell them that you were playing on the trivia
Get to
trolley.
class.
Yeah, we just put that thing in reverse.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Who wants to play Tartan trivia?
On the board. Pretty sure that's yeah, but it's okay.
Anybody? Anybody want to play?
If anyone knows, you will know. Have a great day, ladies. So that was our business office staff. Yes. Very busy. Oh, let's
Man in the hat! Come play trivia! We'll take you where you gotta go!
I got class in like 30.
seconds.
We'll take
We
you where you
can
gotta
get you there
go!
in
We'll
30
take you where you gotta
seconds.
go!
And no one likes to be on camera these days unless they're in control of it. I tell you.
It's not on some great prize.
You have a nice beard. let's take it home. You know what? The trivia trial is there.
Okay, we'll take it outside.
Where's she go?
The library.
We love it.
Okay, Kayla. All right, everybody. This is my wonderful roommate, Kayla Braun, a wonderful thrower on the track team as well.
If you answer this question correctly, I'll give you a ticket and you have a chance to win some awesome prizes today. What's something that Kayla would know? What's something that Kayla would know?
Well, you are in shorts and t-shirts.
What is the oldest building on campus?
No? First for that? No.
Is this door open?
What is it? I don't know.
You don't. Come on.
What is it?
Yes, you do.
No, we don't.
Marshall Hall. Is that live, Kayla?
Is that the musical?
No, it's not the music building.
Which one is it?
It's where ATO has their
Yeah, I don't know that.
Well, thanks for playing, Kayla.
Thanks for playing. Enjoy your ice times.
What's the cold on? It's cold.
My hands are crazy. This guy's got a long walk.
We're looking for my hoodie. Don't move.
We're trying to get to you as fast as we can.
No, you can't do that. No. We'll take you where you gotta go, bro.
Have fun. Okay, you try too.
We'll take you where you gotta go. Where you going? Graham? We'll take you there. What's your name? Jeremiah.
It was a bullfrog.
Welcome to
Sorry.
welcome to the trivia trolley.
I will ask you a question. If you get it correct, I'll give you a little ticket. You have a chance to win some awesome prizes for our
Thanksgiving Day. You football player? How many times has the football field been moved? Between 1 and 3 times.
Moves.
Yeah, the football field's been moved. How many times?
2.
Correct.
Nice.
Alright, so I will give you one of these tickets. Woo! You'll put your name on it, and then you'll, thanks for playing. Thank you, Graham.
So Jeremiah, what are you doing on this lovely day?
They just come back and pay the ticket.
Hope you
Thank
win
you.
something cool.
Not texting and driving home. Literally changing the song. What are we feeling today? What about some Dolly Parton?
Ooh, I like
We're
that.
working 9 to 5 today. It's actually 15 hours today of giving, but same. Now I am kind of texting because driving. Okay, here we go.
Tumble out of bed and stumble into the kitchen. Pour myself a cup of ambition and yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jumping shit.
Oh,
Job from 9 to 5.
Working 9 to 5.
right, who do we have
Hello.
joining us here?
Xandru Borst.
All right,
What's
Xandru.
up? Where are you going?
Honor Village.
I can get you close.
I'm gonna ask you a question. If you get it right, you'll get one of the tickets and have a chance to win some awesome prizes.
I'm gonna have to have you. He's going for us.
Yeah. What fraternity house formerly stood at the site of Alpha? What's one of your favorite?
Okay, guys. Ruben got the answer.
Kayla got her Einstein! Woo!
You also turn your ticket and then on the road. Let's see. What is the oldest? What is the oldest building on campus? Oh, almost. It starts with M though. I'll give you one more try. Just for fun.
It's obscure. There's like really no classes
Oh,
there.
Marshall Hall.
Yeah.
Like 2?
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Do it.
There you go.
So this is as close as we can take you because this is not street legal.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
playing.
you.
Yeah.
I guess we should have given the other people a ride. Woo!
Nancy! There's Nancy. She makes the best sandwiches on campus.
Do you have any like multiple choice questions?
No, everything is just looking answers. Some of these I've never even heard of.
Hit me with one. Hit me with one.
Okay.
I'm not saying I'm gonna get it right.
What formerly all-male Monmouth College secret society now includes women members?
Octopus Society.
Yeah, Octopus.
Woo! I was not a part of that, but cool people were.
What singer superstar has won 25 Grammy Awards and performed a concert at Monmouth's 1969 homecoming?
It's just any singer,
Yes.
male or female.
Male.
I have no idea.
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder.
Yeah.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you?
Come play Trivia on this Tartan Trolley. Will take you where you gotta go.
Hop on.
Come play.
Hop
Where are you
on.
going?
Well, great. Hop on. We'll take you there.
To the front door.
How about you? Where are you going? Then hop on.
Come play some trivia.
We'll give you a
We'll
ride.
take you there.
We got some questions for you. I can't take you across the street though, because this is not street legal. But we can take you close. Come on,
should I sit
right.
in the back?
You can sit right there. It's a little drier for you.
All right. So what's your name?
You're welcome.
My name is Talon Hunter.
Talon.
Hey, Talon.
All right. I will ask you a question. If you get it right, you have a chance to win some awesome prizes from these raffle tickets.
Alright.
You're part of a fraternity, correct?
Yes, I am.
What fraternity house formerly stood on the site of Alpha Phi Delta? It's still a fraternity today here.
I'm gonna guess CPT.
Nice.
All right, so you will put your name on the ticket, and then you will turn it into the front of the invisible box. So drop it in.
Talon, are you? I was gonna say, are you up for another question?
Yeah, I got a long enough ride.
You're 1 for 1, and you do have a long ride.
What was originally located in the area of McMike, now occupied by the bookstore?
I guess I'm gonna say
Correct! The dining hall used to be.
Nice.
I would give you right up there. What? You got that
2
one.
for 2. As close as we can get. I'm sorry, but we got you.
walk down by the amphitheater. There's a bunch of tables.
All
People will
right.
show you where to put them.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks for
You're
joining us,
welcome.
Yeah,
Callum.
and thank you for the ride.
Hey, no problem.
Have a great day.
You too.
You're so nice. I love nice people.
You got both those friends.
Man, cafeteria. That was not anything like this.
Yeah, cafeteria at the bookstore.
Man. Yeah, which is right there. Right there. Ooh. Oh, so hit this in. Alright, I'm going. I'm gonna switch you up. Man, it is just raining right now, folks. We'll put on a sunny day because it's not. And we're
Not a sunny
wet
day
and we're
today.
cold. And okay, summertime by DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. We got this. Okay, what time is it? We got about 10 more minutes before we can park this thing in the garage, which is totally make-believe.
The groove slightly transform, just a bit of a break from the door. Now so I'm soft to break the monotony. I'm all that hardcore things that has got me a little bit.
Anybody want to play trivia? Anybody want to play trivia? Red hoodie, where are you going?
I'm going here actually.
Well, hop on, we'll take you. We'll take you over there.
Alright, if you answer this question correctly, I'll give you a ticket and a chance to win. Okay. What is the oldest building on campus? Lowe's. It's one of the oldest. Starting with that.
The other end. Oh, actually, I forgot about that end. That's a good one.
I don't know, I maxed out. I'm a transfer, so I don't remember.
Oh,
So I just walk around.
Marshall.
Oh, I don't even remember that one.
It's okay. It's good. Thanks for playing.
Of course. Have a great day.
All right, hit me. Yeah.
Okay. What Brenton Hall have a U.S. Navy cross-light cadet?
Bam.
No, but it starts with G.
Oh, rear.
Yep.
I thought Graham was part of that too. Dang.
What was the original name for Scotland Yard? The Six.
Okay. I did not know that one. Never heard of that actually.
What graduating class donated a sundial in front of Monmouth?
Been there a while. What about the 1980s decade?
19-something.
1970s?
Nope. A lot less.
1960?
Nope.
Who?
1910.
Oh my god. I didn't even know that long. Hey, what's up? Hi. Hello.
Ready? You want to play short trivia?
We'll give you a drive.
We'll take you. We gotta go.
Where you going?
We'll take you there. We'll take you there. Hop on. Hop on. All right. If you answer the question correctly, you will get a ticket for a chance to win some awesome prizes.
Hey, I just got like 2 wrong, so I'm sorry.
All right. How many times does the football field win the door? 1 or 3 times.
Yeah.
All right.
Can you go 2 for 2?
What is the oldest building on campus?
Do you know Eminem's real name? You know Eminem the rapper? Mm-mm. Like Marshall Mathers. Yeah.
There you are. You'll put your name on that ticket, then you'll turn it in the front of the seat down. There's a little table set up there. You'll just put it in. Okay, thank you. Thanks for playing.
You're welcome. All right. right, new ones. Hit me.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the back page.
Oh boy.
Okay. Monmouth College Art Center was formerly located in an abandoned commercial building behind the Lehman. What business originally occupied that building?
Was it a bank?
No. You won't. Yeah, I knew you never know. It's a chicken hatchery.
That would have been my second guess, actually. See, fun fact, people, they're just learning today.
In the 1970s, the top floor of Trolley Hall was occupied by a facility called Red Barn East. What was the purpose of that facility?
Red Barn East?
Yep.
I don't know. I always thought Trolley would be a really good like ballroom.
Yeah, it was for the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even come up with something.
It was an experimental theater. I'm a theater major. So
Okay, you're a theater major, so what does that mean?
I don't know. Like,
Where you just experiment
classrooms
different
or like,
types? Curious.
what fraternity house served as a temporary residential residence while the Whitney House was being renovated in the 1990s?
I'm just throwing out SIGA.
Oh no.
ACO.
Yep, ATO.
I should have said that was my first guess because they're the ones that have the house guns.
Yeah.
Hey, hop on, we'll take you to where you going.
All
We'll
right,
take you
play
there.
trivia.
Because that's where we're going. That's where we're going. Like it's
Go,
so.
Sam.
I know.
All right, if you can answer one of these
Wait,
questions
what's your
correctly,
name?
Tried.
tried it.
Right, all right. Wait till all your fans.
Hey, hey.
What is the oldest building on campus?
That, walls, right? No?
We will see it here in about
So,
45 seconds.
CSP.
Bro, are you serious?
What do you mean? Oh,
The CSB?
that one right there.
No.
The one next to it. One next to it.
What's the one next to it?
That one.
I don't even know what that is. Looks like someone's house.
Okay, do you know Eminem's real name? Like Eminem the rapper?
Brian.
No. I'm cheating.
I'm supposed to know Eminem's real name.
No, but okay, his name is Marshall Mathers, right?
It's the Marshall House.
Yes.
It's the oldest building on campus.
Eminem's real name?
I didn't know his name was Marshall.
I think so.
Okay, fine.
Now you got
I'll
me
give you another one.
questioning.
How many times has the football field been moved north? Once, twice, or 3 times?
What'd you say, son?
How many times has the football field been moved north? Once, twice, or 3 times?
It's between 1 and 3.
Hey, I get that. 3.
No! Bro, it said between 1 and 3. 2!
Oh,
Thanks, Trident.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Stay dry.
Is this where this was parked?
Yeah, kinda.
Well, break. On. Coffee off. Alright, folks. It is close to 10 o'clock.
You need a shield. What are you doing?
So I think that is our time to go inside and get drunk before we do this again after a little bit. So we'll tune in later.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.